Hi guys, my name is Mohammed Kiani. My topic about wettability alteration of reservoir rock by surfactant in water-based drilling fluid. In overbalanced drilling for well control, hydrostatic pressure more than formation pressure, so it causes formation loss and influx of the solid particle and formation damage and killing swelling. Sometimes may wettability alteration of reservoir rock from water wet to oil wet. In answer recovery, I have three methods of the primary, secondary, and tertiary. In secondary method, one of the method is a surfactant. Surfactant included anionic, non-ionic, cationic, and anionic. The head of the surfactant is a hydrophile and the tail is a hydrophobe. At the wettability, for the water wet when the theta less than 90-degree, adhesive tension between water and rock surface exceeds the between oil and the rock surface. When the theta more than 90-degree, the rock is oil wet. By Young equation can calculate the interfacial tension and contact angle. Formation damage included the oil trapping, soiling reservoir by contact drilling fluid by the formation, and the oil weight reservoir rock filling small pores and increase relative permeability of water saturation. Absorption of the surfactant surface by microemulsion on the pores of the rock. When surfactants are exposed to carbon rock, non-polarity head of microemulsion is absorbed on the rock so that the polar head is placed in the hydrophilic media. So wettability alteration of reservoir rock from oil weight to water weight. And at the end, it causes decreasing interfacial tension and shifting reservoir toward water weight and increasing the productivity of the well. In this research method, the material equipment such as API filter press, Vigimeter, centrifuge, and pH meter, mass balance thermometer, electromagnet, filter paper, and oven of laboratory. During flow tests included rheology, API filter press, calcium test, chloride test, glycol volume, PHPA volume, and the percentage of the potassium by centrifuge method, and the pH and mud weight at the end of CEC cation exchange capacity by MBT method. Research method included core flooding and contact angle. The result of the contact angle showed that by add the surfactant in the water-based drilling fluid cause increase the oil drop by also increased temperature from 25 to 80 degrees Celsius, and the contact angle oil drop increasing. So at the end, the conclusion show that surfactant in the water-based drilling fluid cause decreasing interfacial tension and shifting reservoir wettability toward water wet and increase productivity of the wells. Nanoparticle of the calcium, potassium, sodium chloride at the pH 10 cause decreased well damage, reduce dispersing, and water filtration. Thank you so much for your attention to my presentation.